How do I file a tax extension on eSmart Tax? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you file a tax extension using the eSmart Tax for the tax year 2024, and you typically need to follow the steps. First of all, visit the eSmart Tax website and log into your account using your credentials. And once logged in, locate your tax return for the tax year 2024 within your account. This may be listed under My Returns or similar section. Find the extension option and look for an option within your tax return or account dashboard that allows you to file an extension. This option may be labeled as File Extension or Extension Request. It's usually located in the same area where you would otherwise finalize and submit your tax return. Click on the extension option and you'll be guided through a series of prompts to complete the extension form. You'll typically need to provide basic information such as your name, address, social security number, and estimated tax liability for the year. After completing the extension form, review the information you have entered to ensure your accuracy, and once you're satisfied, confirm that you want to file for an extension. After confirming and submitting your extension request through the eSmart Tax, depending on the platform's procedures, you may receive a confirmation of your extension submission. If you owe taxes, keep in mind that filing an extension extends the time to file your return, but not the time to pay any taxes due. You may need to make a payment towards your estimated tax liability when filing the extension. After successfully filing for an extension, note the new deadline by which you must file your tax return, and for the federal taxes in the US, filing an extension typically extends the deadline to October 15th, and if you encounter any difficulties or if the process differs from what is outlined over here, it is advisable to refer to the eSmart Tax official documentation or contact their customer support for the assistance. They can provide specific guidance on how to file a tax extension using their platform. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.